Who is to be blamed and punished? Cinderella by Grimm's Brothers, 1857. A mother's premonition. On her dying bed, Cinderella's mother called her to her side. She gave her specific instructions and her blessings. Possibly, she perceived that she would experience extraordinary, trying times in the future. The husband, father, the main man. When we examine the primary role of a husband and father, Cinderella's father failed. Time and careful consideration should always form the basis of sound, conscientious decision making when choosing a lifelong partner. In addition, the father's role is also to promote harmony in the family. He must be a leader and treat all members of the family justly and equally. He failed. Failure. You can either stand tall, small, or not at all. We see that he did not establish roles, rules, and expectations in the home. He did not provide emotional support for all. He did not provide equally for each and every sibling. By both his actions or inaction, there were consequences, and this created chaos in the home. He failed to own and respect all his children. My position is that in the traditional story, as told by the Grimm's brothers of Cinderella, the father is responsible for emotional support, security, and setting the tone in the home. My claim is Cinderella's father should be held responsible for the way she was treated in the home after the death of her mother. The evidence that I provided proves this. Firstly, he was hasty in choosing a new wife. His poor choice resulted in his daughter's maltreatment. In addition, he failed to treat each member of the family fairly and equally, and it was his responsibility to ensure that this happened. Further, in initially disowning his own daughter in front of the prince, he showed that he was not only facilitating her ill treatment, but was complicit and directly responsible for everything that happened to her. Warrant. In the light of this evidence, and the fact that the father failed in his responsibility to his daughter, he should be sanctioned more severely than the other characters in the story. My conclusion. In the end, the adult in the home is responsible for what happens in the home. Cinderella's father, by his action and inactions, abdicated his responsibility. The evidence proved that he willingly and knowingly did this. Therefore, he should be sanctioned more heavily than any of the other characters.